Well, hello, and welcome to a new brick building video with me, your host, Roaming Lego. We are about to be building this new Lego BrickHeadz Tom and Jerry set today out in nature. This set comes with 212 Lego bricks. It's a 10 plus age group product, set number 40793. There it is, Tom and Jerry BrickHeadz. This was my favorite cartoon when I was young and kid. So I thought of why not go about building the set itself for Tom and Jerry. Here it is, we are unboxing the set. Let's see what all contents do we get inside of it, along with the 2 instruction manual. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 poly bags included. Let me show you one by one. That's bag number 1. That's bag number 2. That's bag number 3. Number 4. And the last but not the least, bag number 5. 5 bags included. Here are the 2 instruction manuals, as you can see them. One is for Tom and the second one would be for Jerry. So for Jerry, it's the later part. First, we would need to unwrap bag number 1 and start building Tom, as you can see. These are those small Lego pieces up there. Okay, do that first step. Second one is asking for these 2 little parts. To repeat this process once again with the same parts, equal amount of parts, and this time as well. Parts are getting attached. See, this is how we are building this and proceeding ahead. I hope that you guys are enjoying the view out there. Step by step. We are proceeding ahead. Step by step. There you go. Now we would need two of these little ones. Two of these white ones, you can see them. Two of those, two of these, you can see it here. And snapped it in. There you can see we are building this model for Tom first, and then comes the Jerry. We would like to take this here, attach this part, goes in there like these. More two are required. One goes in here like these, and the second one would go on top from here like these. Okay. Now comes the smaller part, guys. Now comes the smaller part. I am right now into the countryside of the state of Maharashtra. This is the best season, which is for monsoon. You can visit this place. And you can have the ultimate serene experience by roaming around in the state of Maharashtra during the monsoon season. It's mesmerizing, it's so beautiful. You must be seeing that there are waterfalls right on the hills located ahead of us. Step is now completed. We'll be moving on to number 11 now, for which we would require 3 of these little ones. First, we take this brick, attach on top of each other. Once again, we would pack this thing up like this. Have these attached on top, like that. There you can see we are building this thing. Oh, so we had a part stuck inside of this. You can see the blue little brick. That's the reason why it didn't get fit. Let me remove this gently. Okay, there you go. It's been removed now. We will attach this part. It should slide in. Perfect. Alright. You can see it's getting slowly. And now we would take the rest of the Tom's brickhead, attach it with these little pieces, and this should be going right in there, snapping in. Would you snap in or no? Why would you not? Looking good so far. We've successfully finished building bag number 1, and this is what we've achieved from bag number 1. A minifig for Tom itself. Here are a few extra parts. Well, for now, I am putting in the extra parts into the box directly. And let's quickly unwrap bag number 2, guys. Here it is, bag number 2. Here is bag number 2 getting unwrapped. Empty bag number 2. Bag number 1 got us this much of the Tom's brickhead model finished. Now comes bag number 2, which would give us more to be building around Tom. So we are required to take out a few parts. These ones. And then 2 of those little ones. There you go. I'm so sorry, guys. Actually, under the weather. So much accomplished of now, and we would require to attach these ones top here. This would go in and snap it in there. Exactly the same way. We've managed. So far, looking good. So far, looking good. would do the trick. Is this now looking cool to you guys as well? What we are building is tall. Hello, little one. Come here. In front. We've successfully snapped those pieces in. Go. This is Tom. So far, so much is ready. You will flip the page, and now comes the ear. Now you're supposed to make the ear mold, so this will take some time. Let me show it to you. How do we proceed about building the ear? Okay. There is a road passing by, so there might be slight disturbance by those vehicles. I hope you guys do not mind it. I'm recording this video in 4K so that most of you guys can sit back and enjoy on your big screens. Yep, on 4K. Okay. Let's slide into this. Now this we are supposed to be doing it 2 times because there is a left ear and there is a right ear as well. So there you go. We are attaching those pieces one by one. Here is the ears. Ears are getting attached to Tom's rest of the body. And let me attach those ears from both sides. Now you'll see how Tom is looking, guys. How is Tom looking? This is how cool Tom is looking right now. That's it. We've managed to build bag number 1 and bag number 2. Now comes bag number 3. About to be unwrapping bag number 3. Yep. Here it is, bag number 3. So we'll continue to build bag number 3. Let's attach these parts in, slide in those parts to go in and fit in well. Okay. Alright, we are making some progress. Alright. There you can see. These attachments goes in here, perfect. Underneath of Tom, making these as Tom's legs. Okay, we are building the legs for Tom. Now they're asking us to build his tail. Okay, so this little part for the tail. One of these parts as well. As Jerry would set Tom's tail on fire, here is the fire like looking effect on the Tom's tail. And let me go quickly attach this tail to Tom's body. Here we are. We've successfully attached the tail, the burning tail, onto Tom's body. Now I assume we'll proceed by building the rest of the head, or the face rather. Okay. How cool is that? I am staying with a Maharashtrian family here, guys. So they are good, hospitable people out there. Slowly and steady, we are attaching those bricks required for Tom's face now. So we are about to build the face of Tom. There you see a truck crossing on the road, and there is a lady working in her fields out there. As I promised to you guys that we are making this set amongst the pristine serenity of nature, and we've fulfilled the promise today for all of you guys who are tuning into channel and watching us build some Lego. There you can see. So far we managed to attach so much. There you go. Touching one more nose kind of a structure. So we attach the nose as well. Now comes the eyes. Here are those shining, glimmering eyes for Tom. There you go. We've attached the left eye, and now comes the right eye. Getting attached onto Tom like these. And there you go. The eyes attached. The face is built, kind of. We are attaching those bricks to complete the rest of Tom's face. Okay, and it's looking good so far to me without any issues. I am attaching those bricks turn by turn. Now comes the final attachment of the nose. And here we are. We've built a nose successfully of Tom's nose. We've built it out. Now we are attaching this face to the body. Here you can see how it will look once we've attached Tom's face to the body. Here you go. The Tom is complete with his tail on fire. How cool is it looking? Well, let us now start building the Tom. Ready? We will now build. Oh, there is something yet pending for Tom. Okay, we are attaching this part from bottom here like these, and attaching the one on top like these. And there you go, a kind of a hammer like looking model has been achieved. We managed to build a kind of a hammer so far. Okay, and that hammer will go in Tom's left hand like these. There you go. We have Tom along with the hammer ready. Now comes the final part of building the base on top where Tom would reside and rest. There you go. See it getting built. That's it. So now we successfully manage Tom. That's the stand for Tom. How cool is Tom looking, isn't it? with this, we've finished building Tom. Now we shall go about focusing on Jerry. These are a few parts for your information. We are successful in building Tom. All we are now supposed to do is build on Jerry. Bag number 4. Those are for Jerry. Here is bag number 4 for you guys. Bag number 4. That's the stuff Jerry. As y'all can see that the parts should align well, or else the model shall look disoriented a bit. There it is. Now progressing with building Tom's not a minifigure. Kind of main Jerry's body. We are building Jerry now. That's the dog. That's the Pomeranian. Nice watchdog here. This guys have got. So far, we've managed Jerry's body this much. We'll continue to build Jerry. It's way too windy out in here, because of which the bricks sometimes tend to get loose and just fly away. Small ones, especially small ones. Right. Well, the wind is now picking up somehow. I don't know what would be the reason, but it's not yet raining. It's about to rain as well. It would rain hard if it rains now. So far, so much we've managed to build. The pages are getting turned by themselves. They're holding it back. Okay, so far so much has been accomplished. Now comes the time for us to attach eyes for Jerry. Here is the face for Jerry. I hope it's visible. As you guys can see, we are done with Jerry's little face almost. Looks like this. There you can see how cute is Jerry's face looking. Here is the rest of the body. Here I'm attaching Jerry's little face. And this is how Jerry would look. time for us to unwrap bag number 5. Successfully unwrapped the bag number 5. As you can see, it's all empty now. We would need to attach a few of these little attachments to cover the rest of the Jerry's little body. Okay, and this is how we are doing it now. Okay. Okay. Now comes this rounded little part. This is a bit tricky to find, but here it is. I've got that part. This would get on Jerry like these. Okay. There you go. Okay. Cool so far. What we have is this new one, that one. Okay. Just to get 2 of these parts. Alrighty. Here it is. And there we shall attach it to Jerry's body. We've successfully managed to attach the side of the Jerry's little body. Both sides are now done. We shall flip the page, attach his little tail. Now attaching Jerry's little tail would make him look like these. Why are you not getting in properly attached? Okay. There's Jerry's little tail. Now we shall cover the rest of the Jerry's body. So that should be aligning with 2 of the other parts as well. Did we just miss onto something, guys? Did we just miss onto something? I think this would go a bit like this, but here it's okay. And there you go. Jerry's cute little body is ready now. With his tail all attached, with his face all done. Okay. This progress. I guess these are the legs. These are the legs which are getting prepared for Jerry. Okay, there you go. 3, 4 more of these little ones. Different. Well, that's Jerry for us with his legs, arms, and face attached. Also with tail. How cool is he looking? Let me know down in the comments. It's time for us to attach Jerry's little arms to him. There you can see you attached Jerry's arms to it. This is how Jerry is looking now. How about Jerry's ears? Okay, let's build those ears now for him. And the ears are rather funny looking ears. Wow. Fred Quimby. That's Jerry for you guys. That's a little fire using which Jerry would light up Tom's tail. Here it is attached to Jerry's arm as well. Okay, you can see him holding on the torch. His tail popping out. That's Jerry for us. Welcome to build Jerry's little stand. So we are building Jerry's stand on which Jerry shall be displayed. And there you go, successfully managed. Okay, that's Jerry. And that's Tom. That's Tom and that's Jerry for you guys. Tom and Jerry Brickheadz successfully accomplished. How cool are they looking? Please do comment and let me know. With nature existing in the background. Thank you for tuning in this episode. I hope this was fun build and you like the serene nature behind. Thank you for tuning into Roaming Legos, Tom and Jerry Lego set construction for the Brickheadz. Bye bye. Have a good one. See you all. Signing out.